Hey, my name is Dr. Skylor Morton, owner of Morton Dental Group. We are a privately owned dental group here based around Nashville. We have 9 locations, and we just actually branched out into the Alabama market, which is Huntsville and Madison specifically. Coming out of school, I purchased my first office and did a startup, and we went to the Chicago midwinter and had no idea of any different brands of CBCTs or any loyalty to anything at that point, and so stumbled upon the Ray America booth and got to know the guys and ended up signing for 2 units, and that was all the way back in, like I said, 2019, maybe even 2018. And since then, we have purchased 9 CBCTs from Ray America, 1 Ray face, and countless amounts of their sensors. The Ray America CBCT has definitely transformed our practice. In fact, it's not even something that we are willing to compromise on. All of our locations have 3D X-ray CBCTs, and it's something that the patient experience, the quality of care, I think it's almost the standard of care. It should be the standard of care at this point. I can use an example just from 20 minutes ago before we started filming. One of my assistants in this location came to me with a toothache, and nothing showed up on the standard 2D X-ray, and sure enough, get a 3D X-ray, and we can see periapical abscess and needs to get a root canal as soon as possible. So something that we're not willing to compromise on is our patient care and patient experience, and that's why every one of our locations gets a Ray America CBCT. I recommend Ray America to anybody and everybody. It's definitely one of the first things that I recommend for anybody building an office or buying into an office. Not only the 3D X-ray, which is incredible, but we use all their 2D sensors as well. We have a Ray face. We use the good majority of their products. So yeah, of course, I recommend it to everybody. Yeah, and one of the other things that I value the most about working with Ray America is just the durability, the warranty, the lack of downtime, and just the overall functionality of the equipment. It's very easy to train team members on. They don't go down easily or often at all. It's something that we can always count on to be working.